Today we are solving the lesson 12 exit ticket using the RDW process to solve the following problem. RDW stands for reading the problem, drawing the problem, and writing our answer. When I read a word problem, you might notice that I use my cubes. I mark up my problem by circling and underlining and boxing. So that's what I'm going to be doing for the R part of RDW. I'll already start making marks on my piece of paper. Jennifer has 256 beads. Stella has 3 times as many beads as Jennifer. Tia has 104 more beads than Stella. How many beads does Tia have? Whew! Lots of information. Let's narrow it down here. First, I'm going to circle my numbers. And underline my question. How many beads does Tia have? That's my main objective here. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to draw a box around the words that feel like they're the most important. Times as many. I know I'm doing multiplication. More beads than Stella. Okay, I'll stop there. And now I'm going to start the D part of RDW, and I'm going to draw out this information on this large sheet of paper that I have. Let's start with Jennifer. Jennifer's got 256 beads. I'm going to draw our little tape diagram marked with a J for Jennifer and label it 256. Look at all those beads. Awesome for her. But her friend Stella has 3 times as many. That's like taking Jennifer's collection and having 3 groups of it. Do I know how much altogether Stella has? No, but I do know that it's 3 groups of what Jennifer has, which means it's 3 groups of 256. But my job isn't to figure out how much Stella has. My job is to figure out how much Tia has. Tia has 104 more beads than Stella. That means if Tia had a tape diagram, it would be even longer than Stella's. How much longer? I don't really know, but I know however long it is, it's 104 beads more than what Stella had. And my job is to figure out, what is this entire collection worth? To figure out how many beads Tia has, I need to take the amount, 104, and add it to however much Stella has. Because Stella's collection and Tia's collection would be nearly identical if not for these 104 extra. So my step number 1 that I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply 256 times 3 to figure out how much Stella has. Once I find that answer, I've got to add the extra 104 to see what Tia has. And once I know what Tia has, I've solved my problem. All I would need is to write my answer in a statement. Tia has blank, I don't know, beads. So on your own, solve this multi-step word problem using both the skills of multiplication as well as addition.